Nissan 370Z's sleek exterior hides a savage heart, a throbbing 332 horsepower V6. This volatile chunk of metallic muscle packs a powerful punch. The only thing missing is an aggressive voice to let the road know it's coming. The XFORCE exhaust system takes the already stellar performance of the 370Z to the next level, turning its purr into a lion's roar. Designed and engineered by XFORCE engineers in Australia, the system has been specially tailored to suit the needs of local drivers. XFORCE exhausts have been engineered to eliminate intrusive droning sounds inside the car while maximising explosive sports tones outside. Many prototypes were created in order to obtain the perfect balance of sounds. What could be more satisfying than hearing that electrifying growl every time you hit the accelerator? The 370Z XFORCE is a twin 2.5-inch catback system comprised of an X-pipe, twin hot dog resonators, and dual twin-loop rear mufflers, sporting dual 4-inch double-wall angle-cut tips. The system is made of 304 grade stainless steel, highly polished to ensure maximum durability and performance looks. The X-pipe draws exhaust gas from both banks of the V6 engine before merging and splitting again. The benefit of this X-pipe design is that it will maximise power and torque by increasing the exhaust flow scavenging effect. Dual twin-loop flow muffler design enables the exhaust from both banks to flow through both the mufflers before exiting from the dual 4-inch tips. This design maximises exhaust flow and power, increasing the sound dampening effect to maintain a balanced sound inside and outside the cabin. Flanges are machined perfectly. Quality gaskets are provided to ensure a perfect seal, strong connection. This free flow straight through design allows the engine to breathe more freely, increasing power and performance. Dual layer packing around the flow passage absorbs and dampens sound. These striking twins and glinting polished stainless steel enhance the vehicle's good looks while producing a spine-tingling howl. The XFORCE is a bolt-on system which is very easy to install. XFORCE is one of the most popular exhaust manufacturers in Australia, well known for its ability to produce high-quality parts at an affordable price. They're extremely passionate about their exhaust systems, delivering products with unparalleled performance, superior craftsmanship, and pure sports sound. XFORCE also builds exhaust systems for Holden, Ford, and Subaru. XFORCE products are available now in retail outlets nationwide. To find out more, please visit xforce.com.au or speak to your local exhaust or performance specialist.